how you doing? So I have some hair I want to show you guys. I'm going to make a nice sleek straight unit, and so the unboxing that we're going to be doing today is from Sassina. Cute little packaging. Love it, love it, love it. I love packaging. You guys know. Save your boxes. So let's get right into it. I've definitely checked the hair out. The hair is lovely. Let's get right into it. Just so you know, the packaging came via DHL, super quick. I like DHL because you get to track it. I like that. You know, you can check on your phone, all that other good stuff. I mean, other companies do that too, but I like that from DHL. So, however, let's get right into the hair. Cute packaging. Everything is in here. I done looked at everything. I done opened it up, so I already know what we're gonna get our hands right into. So let's open up the closure. So like I mentioned before, this is their Silky Straight. Isn't this pretty, guys? Silky Straight hair. I didn't see all these grays in it before, so I'm just taking a look at it. Has some grays in it, which is fine with me because that shows, like, you know, more of a natural look and things like that. So we definitely like a little gray in there, you know, depending on how old you are. Sometimes we don't want to see that, depending we were in our like early 20s and stuff like that. But for me, it don't bother me. It don't bother me one bit. So this lace frontal is a little bit different for me because I tried one like this before. I don't really remember. It's been so long ago. But this particular lace frontal does not have any reinforcement. Now, this is a good thing and it could be a bad thing because you can sew too tightly. You know, if you're used to using that reinforcement, that little edge around, because you can sew too much or sew too tightly and you can pop the lace. It's something you don't want to do, but it could be a good thing because it can lay extra flat because you don't have that reinforcement. But the reinforcement doesn't determine how flat your unit is going to be. It's all about how you sew it down. What I do like about this frontal, it is pre-plucked. It's not you can see the knots, so it's not bleached. The knots are not bleached, but this hairline is sweet. It's a very nice. It's plucked nicely. I don't foresee me having to do anything with this particular frontal, which is a blessing because plucking a frontal is unreal. Talking about wrist hurting. Woof. So let's get into one of the bundles. Let's see here. I opened one already. Oh, let's open this one. This is the 16-inch. It's pretty long because the 18-inch is much longer than this one. I opened this one up because I want to see how the actual weft look. I want to look for any flyaways and things of that nature. So this is the 16-inch and pretty straight. You know, I like to do the bend test. It doesn't have a little bit of flyaways, not too many, but for the most part, all the strands are long. They're not all equal, you know, they're not all equal, but they're pretty long and they look good. It doesn't have any like little balls or any type of coating on the hair as of yet, but I have to wash the hair, so I'll let you know that once I actually install it. Now, what I do like is the fact that the ends are quite even. They were definitely even. They don't look too even right now because I had the bundle out, so when it was nicely rolled and wrapped, it was definitely nice and even. The hair is pretty thick up in here. It does get a little bit thin at the end, but nevertheless, it was definitely nice and straight at the end. I will be clipping it and making it nice. I want to do a nice straight middle part, sleek, dark hair unit, and I want the back to come into a V. So I'll have to do a lot of work on that one. And let's get into the actual weft. So here's the actual weft. I want to open up so you can see. Let's see here. Pretty good. Not too thin, not too thick. I like to double weft my tracks, so this is pretty good. The actual wefting is really nice. It's thin. You know, sometimes you can have a weft where you can kind of like slit, and you know, for those who like make a glue unit or something like, I forgot what they call that. Oh God, I can't think. My brain is going. But anywho, this is a nice track, and it, you know, you would lay, it lets you know pretty much how to lay the track, because this is the more bumpier part and this is the more flatter part. I didn't realize that. This is a really good track. So there is a little bit of bearding right around in here. Nothing too bad, nothing to run home about, nothing that's gonna stop you from having a nice, good installation. Really, really nice. So I like that. I'm gonna leave it just like this because I'm gonna start sewing this unit and getting it started, because I'm excited. And guys, what's going on with me? Why am I getting these long lengths? You guys know I don't go past 16. 16 is like my limit, but for some reason I'm feeling 18. I'm feeling 18. I think I'm going back into my day when I liked long hair, but it'll go back to short, trust me. Trust me. Okay, so here's another 18. This one's long, but this one I have not unwrapped the bundle, and as you can see how it's nice and straight at the end. I love that. I love that. Okay. And what else we got here? Oh, they gave me some goodies. I'm not gonna open up the other bundle because we know how it looks already. They gave me some goodies, which I like. They gave me a comb. We love combs over here because, you know, you got a lot of wigs. You got to comb them wigs, right? And they gave me some eyelashes, and these are really, really pretty. Let me try to get them close up for you. Aren't they pretty? However, Kelly doesn't know how to put on lashes. I could watch 1,000,001 videos and I'm still blinking and carrying on. I just can't do it. One day. If you guys have any tricks and tips to put on lashes, leave it down below so I'll know what to do. But however, I want to come and show you this hair, give you a quick unboxing, letting you know what's to come. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you can see how this unit turns out. I know it's going to be amazing. It's going to be beautiful. And you know, we all love a nice, slick, sleek wig. You know, get that look with a nice red lip. So make sure you stay tuned so you can see what's going on. In addition to that, I have something really good coming up soon. It's going to be about probably 6 to 8 weeks for me to do what I want to do, but I want to just say it to get it out the way so you guys can be kind of ready. But you got to be subscribed. You got to be subscribed, okay? So make sure you subscribe. So that is it. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.